dreaming about hot rocket.
Hey you guys, it's Kerra here. I'm back with another video. Yes, it is saying I'm back with another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a McDonald's mukbang. This is gonna be a car mukbang because I'm in the car right now, so why not? Hopefully everything goes smoothly, but oh, excuse me, I'm drinking Sprite. That's why. So this video is probably gonna be like 14 minutes long, but I'm gonna tell you what I got. I got two of the summer break meals. And the summer break meal, it consists of like a sandwich and some fries, or you can get nugget and some fries, and it's only for like $2.50. So I got two summer break menu meals. I got one with the hot and spicy, add pickles, and the second one I got the 6-piece nugget. So look at that, looks so good. I don't know why lately I've been having them add pickles. Well, I know why. My girlfriend, she has them add pickle on hers, and it's really good. So she doesn't do it all the time, just sometimes. But yeah, I'm just parked outside the mall, chilling, eating my McDonald's. Because I'm waiting on my girlfriend to come meet me so I can get some stuff out of her car. It's really good. Their fries are always good. Y'all know that. Air fries are always good. And the sandwich tastes fresh. But anyways, let me get up here and talk about what I was going to talk about. I was going to talk about, well, I just want to have like a transparent moment with y'all, and just let y'all know I'm not perfect. I'm not rich. I'm not spoiled. I don't get everything I want. Everything doesn't always go my way. I cry. I bleed. I get upset. A lot. I'm human. I'm human. And I'm just saying that to say that, like, I don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm just trying to say that don't get caught up in, excuse my nails, they look crappy, I need to stop biting them. My girlfriend hates that I bite them. She calls them nubs. They have their days. Some days they look cute, some days they look like nubs. Today look like nubs because I decided to paint only one hand. And then last night, before I went to bed, I picked the paint off. I'm so weird. But anyways, I said to say, like, don't believe everything you see. And I'm not going to say necessarily that I don't believe everything I see, but sometimes on social media, I like social media. Who doesn't? I mean, people don't, but majority of the world does, right? I could be wrong, but that's what I think. I feel like majority of the world, you know, social media, that's why it's here. That's why, you know, it's coming and going. They're coming out with new stuff, you know. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is that on social media, you can be whoever you want to be. And on my social media, for example, I feel like looking at my Instagram, you can't really see who I am, what my everyday life is. You don't see the tears I cry. You don't see what shit I go through. You don't see me stressing about my financial situation. So, I say that all to say I said that all to say that I go through everything that everyone else goes through. And, like, the world we live in, it's just so hard because you can be on your straight and narrow. Because there's no right and wrong way to live, I don't think. Like, what's best for me might not be best for you, and vice versa. I feel like, personally, it depends on the person. So, I feel like it's just so many expectations, like, on, okay, I'm all around the bush, but basically, on social media, personally, a lot of people I went to middle school with, I'm 22 years old, they are engaged. Most of them have at least one child. Some of them are married, actually. And they're doing very well. A lot of people I went to middle school with, they are doing very well for themselves. They graduated college. And you know, it's what I'm trying to do, and that's, you know, things that I want. But it's just hard because every day I am making, you know, progress. I am, you know, I'm fighting the fight. You know, I'm here. I mean, I'm trying to live and not just exist, but, you know, I'm trying to live within my means, not trying to do anything too crazy, you know. And it's just hard because, like, on social media, you can't help but see, you know, like, I'm so happy. Like, I'm genuinely happy for all of those people. But it's like, on the flip side of things, you can't help but to think, like, well, maybe I'm not doing enough. Life is so hard. It's so hard. I don't know what to say. It's so hard. But, and I'm 22. The reason I keep saying my age is because I know if anybody watches me, I mean, I know I've been slacking, so who probably don't even watch me. Well, if you happen to come across my channel, don't think that I'm just complaining. But let's be honest, it's so hard not to. It's so hard not to. But I mean, it's just, I don't know. Oh, but this is what I was gonna say. I keep saying my age because some of you that, if you watch me or whatever from my channel, you would probably say, like, girl, you're only 22, you got a lot of life to live. I don't feel that way because I feel like I grew up hella fast. Like most people, I'm like, I can't wait till I'm this age. I can't wait till I'm 18. Like, that came, 21 came by so freaking fast. Like, where did time go? Before I knew it, I was buying alcohol. Like, hello. And now that I'm 21, I mean, now that I'm 22, when I go places, they don't even card me. Like, what the hell? Like, that's not even right. That's the whole point. Card me. I want you to card me. Let y'all know I'm getting this alcohol the right way. But yeah, it's just, I don't know, man. Life is hard. And I just want to say all that to say that it's easier said than done. I'm great at giving awesome advice. I don't always take my own advice, but I'm phenomenal at giving another advice. So I would tell people out there that's dealing with the same thing that I'm dealing with right now. If you know how, if there's a way I can stop, like, these thoughts, you know, I pray about it, but just, you know, keep my mind off it. Comment down below. Give me some tips. Just something, because it clouds my mind. And then it's like it has you like thinking. It has you thinking that you're not doing enough. So it's like you get discouraged and, you know, not motivated to do anything. Like, I just haven't been motivated to do anything. It's just every day I'm thinking, gotta be better, gotta be better, gotta be better, gotta be better. I don't know if that's the way to live, or I don't know. It's just, I want answers, but and I'm not gonna lie, I know you're not supposed to question God, and I try so hard not to question God, but when things aren't going right, it's just like, you're like, why me? I'm just saying all this in the video to just let you know that you guys are not alone. I have these same thoughts, and even with YouTube, like, just, it's like, I'm happy for people and I see their success, and it's just like, I'm just like, where's mine, you know? But then again, with the whole YouTube thing, I haven't been doing my part, so that's something that I have to work on and get on myself about. I haven't, you know, I haven't been doing my part, so that's nobody to blame for that but me. A lot of people don't like their nuggets. I do. I actually like them. Well, they have their days. Depends on the McDonald's too. They always forget my sauce. What's new? I wanted barbecue sauce. I really did.